morning! Let's start the new day! My magic dress! Now let's go to the studio. Welcome! This is my studio. Look how many different colors of fabrics do I have. And these are some of the dresses I made myself. I hope you like them. Now let's prepare for work. My sewing machine. My favorite pencil. The scissors. A ruler. Some threads. Needles, of course. Some buttons. And my meter. Oh, I'm lost without it. Oh, I forgot the thimble. And now I'm ready to welcome my first client. Hi Mary. Hi Julia. Let me first give you some cupcakes. They are delicious. Yummy. Do you want to pick something from my models? Oh, Mary, I need a new dress. Okay, let me see. Okay, let's pick the color now. Oh, I want the red one. Good choice, Julia. A lemon juice while you're waiting. I'm going to work now. I love this place. It's amazing! These shoes are not suitable. Wait a minute. Here you are. Hooray! The dress is amazing. Thank you, Mary. I'm happy that you like it. Bye-bye. Bye, Julia. It's time for the next one. Hello, Mary. Hi, Bonnie. I need a special dress for my prom. Okay, sweetie, let's go and pick the color. Oh, I want the green. Very nice. Milk and cookies for you. And now let's work. Try these shoes, sweetie. Hooray! Oh, Mary! Thank you so much! You are amazing. Bye-bye. Bye, sweetie. Good afternoon, Mary. Hi, Susan. So tell me, what do you want? I need a new colorful dress. Okay, come with me. So many colors. Can I take yellow and pink? Of course you can, darling. I have a great idea for your dress. Wow! What do you think? Oh wow! I love it! I will have the most beautiful dress. Okay, let's begin. The pink fabric, the yellow one, and pink for the ribbon. Let's see. Okay. It's ready! Ta-da! Oh wow! It's magical! I want to try it! Thank you for the beautiful dress. You're welcome, sweetie. See you soon. Bye, Mary. Bye-bye. Wow, I'm so tired. Oh, I want to sit down. It was such a great day.